All right, agent, you've been working on your own AEO strategy, but you've been operating with blinders on. Meanwhile, your competitors are making moves in the shadows. In this lesson, we're going on a reconnaissance mission to find out who is really winning visibility in AI search. Our AEO strategist, Alicia, is ready to see how her brand stacks up against her direct business rivals. In the AI search performance report, she filters the prompt type to unbranded. This shows her the true competitive field when users are asking general questions. She then clicks Explore in the market share widget. She filters the table to show only her domain and her tracked business competitors. Now she can toggle between her high priority topics to see a head-to-head comparison of market share and quickly spot a topic where her brand is seriously falling behind. The action's clear. She needs to build more content authority there. She goes to the Prompts tab and filters for that specific topic and for unbranded prompts where her brand is not cited. This gives her a precise list of content to create to steal back market share from her rivals. Next, a different mission. Alicia wants to find potential partners. She navigates back to the Overview tab and switches the prompt type to branded. The question she's asking now is, when users ask about our brand, which third-party sites are seen as the most authoritative sources? The market share chart gives her the answers. She sees the top publishers, review sites, and industry blogs that are frequently cited alongside her brand name. These aren't threats, they're opportunities. This creates a golden list of warm targets for her PR and outreach teams. So go ahead, accept the mission, analyze your AI market share, and uncover your next strategic move.